Our next topic will be solving quadratic equations. First of all, what does solve mean? Solve, whenever we say solve, it's the same as find roots, find the zeros, find the x-intercepts, find the solution. They're all the same question. Find the solution. Okay, so we are solving quadratic equations. That means we are finding the roots, we are finding the zeros, we are finding the x-intercepts, or we are finding the solution. So we have different ways of solving quadratic equations. A. Solve by factoring. A. X squared plus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. We are solving by factoring. That means we have to factor it. So factoring, now we know the product is 20, the sum is 9. Therefore, the two numbers are 5 and 4. So we solve this one here, x plus 5 equal to 0, or x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to negative 5 or x equal to negative 4. We solve this one here. So solve by factoring does not mean factor. So many students leave it as x plus 5, x plus 4 equal to 0. We have to solve it, we have to find the value of x. B. 2x squared minus x equal to 21. Remember, whenever we are solving any quadratic equations, we have to bring everything to the left side and make it equal to 0. So 2x squared minus x minus 21 equal to 0. So now we factor this one as, by inspection, 1 and 2, 3 and 7. The product is negative, therefore one of the numbers is negative. The larger number must be negative. So negative 7 plus 6 is negative 1. So this will be x plus 3, 2x minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 3 equal to 0, or 2x minus 7 equal to 0, x equal to negative 3, or x equal to 7 over 2. And those are my solutions. Okay, now this is solved by factoring. To do that, we have to master factoring. B. Solve using the quadratic formula. Solve using the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is based on the expression ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. From this one, I can find the solution by using x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And b squared minus 4ac has special name. We call it the discriminant. The discriminant tells us what type of solutions we have for this one. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, is a positive number, then we have two distinct or different solutions or roots. two distinct roots. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, 2 we say equal roots. B squared minus 4ac less than 0, we have no solution, we have imaginary numbers, no real roots. Okay, 3x squared plus 5x minus 8 equal to 0. In this case we have a equal to 3, b equal to 5, c equal to minus 8. Therefore, x equal to minus b, which is minus 5, plus minus square root of b square, which is 5 square, minus 4a times c over 2a. So we have minus 5 plus minus square root of 25, negative and negative are positive, so 12 times 8 is 96 over 6. Negative 5 plus minus root 121 over 6. Negative 5 plus minus 11 over 6. So negative 5 plus 11 over 6, which is 1. Negative 5 minus 11 over 6, which is negative 16 over 6, or negative 8 over 3. These are the solutions we have. So we are done with this. Okay, let's see x squared. Let's see one more, which is x squared minus x plus 1 equal to 0, a equal to 1, b equal to negative 1, c is equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to minus b minus minus 1 plus minus square root of b square minus 1 square minus 4 times c over 2a, which is minus is 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 over 2, which is 1 plus minus square root of negative 3. We do not have square root of negative number, it's imaginary number, so we say there's no real roots. Okay, so we have another way which we don't use a lot, but it's better to know it. See, solve by completing the square. Solve by completing the square. So we have 2x squared plus 12x minus 3 equal to 0. To complete the square, we know the coefficient of x squared must be 1, so I take the 2 out. X squared plus 6x minus 3 equal to 0. I complete the square here. X squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 9 minus 3. Then we have 2. The first 3 will be x plus 3 squared minus 9 times 2 will be negative 18. And then we have 2x plus 3 squared minus 21 equal to 0. Therefore, 2x plus 3 squared equal to 21. X plus 3 squared equal to 21 over 2. X plus 3 equal to plus minus. We write plus minus when I write square root by myself, 21 over 2. So x equal to minus 3 plus minus root 21 over 2. Let's complete the square. You don't have to know a lot about this one here. Okay, that's basically these are the main things we need for now. We'll continue with some other concepts later on.